Hello guys, welcome back with a brand new video again, and today we will be cleaning these white shoes. So we will be cleaning these shoes with our essential kit that comes with a 100 ml solution and an all-purpose brush. So this is all you need to clean your everyday shoes. So let's get into the video. I will keep the right shoe for comparison basis later, just to show what difference actually after cleaning with essential kit comes on these shoes. So first step is to remove the laces. So as now we've removed the laces, now just to save the shape of the shoe, I will be using SHOEGR Shape It. इससे मैं जितना भी प्रेशर अप्लाई करूंगी इट विल हेल्प मी इन इजी क्लीनिंग, और जो मेरे शू की शेप होगी ये इसे मेंटेन करने में बहुत हेल्पफुल रहता है. ऑल यू नीड नाउ इज अ कोलैप्सिबल बोल और एनी बोल दैट यू वुड लाइक टू यूज, सम वाटर, solution. All you need is 3 squirts of solution. It is always advisable to dry brush your shoe. All our brushes are made from natural wood material, so sometimes the mud is so hard just in this shoe, so I'm just taking the corner of the brush and banging it slightly to loosen the dirt. Now as we've dry dusted the shoe and I've thrown all the way the dust, again dipping my all-purpose brush in the solution. Now take a microfiber towel. I will also be using the same brush inside the shoe, and for this I will be removing the shoe tree. It is perfectly safe to use and clean the same brush and the solution inside of the shoe, so don't worry about it.
Let's get scratching.
So now I will work my way with the midsoles and the outsoles. Look at the difference, guys. Now let's come to the laces part. Again, nothing much to do, just dip it in the solution. We have to pull the shoelace to take the dirt out, and look at this. Wonderfully, pleasantly clean. And now is the time for comparison. I mean, this is what we had started with in the beginning of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was a useful video, and do subscribe to our channel. Take care. Thank you.